Welcome to Facts Info. Here's a more comprehensive breakdown of the process involved in making Pringles. Potato inspection and reception. Potatoes delivered to the processing plant are thoroughly inspected for quality, size, and variety. Only the best potatoes meeting specific standards are accepted for processing. Washing and scrubbing. Potatoes go through an industrial washing process to remove dirt and impurities. They are scrubbed and cleaned to prepare them for the next steps. Peeling and trimming. The washed potatoes are peeled using mechanical peelers. Any remaining imperfections or green parts are trimmed off to ensure consistent quality. Slicing and inspection. Potatoes are sliced into very thin, uniform slices using high-precision machinery. These slices are inspected for consistency in thickness and quality. Any defective slices are removed. Pre-cooking treatment. The potato slices undergo a quick blanching process in hot water or steam. This step helps remove excess sugars and starches, ensuring consistent texture and reducing the potential for browning during frying. Frying. The blanched potato slices are fried in vegetable oil at precise temperatures and times. This frying process cooks the slices, removes moisture, and creates the initial crispy texture. Seasoning application. After frying, the chips move through seasoning stations. Here, a flavored seasoning mixture is sprayed or dusted onto the chips using controlled machinery. Each flavor has its unique seasoning blend. Shaping and forming. The seasoned potato slices are then conveyed through a shaping machine that presses them between molds, forming the iconic curved shape of Pringles chips. This process also ensures consistent sizing for stacking. Baking and drying. The shaped chips are sent through a baking oven to remove any remaining moisture. They are baked at high temperatures to achieve the desired crispy texture and to set the shape. Quality control and inspection. Throughout the entire process, quality control personnel continuously monitor the chips for color, taste, texture, and shape. Any chips that do not meet the quality standards are discarded. Packaging. The Pringles are loaded into the familiar cylindrical cans made of cardboard and metal. These cans are sealed to maintain freshness and protect the chips during transport and storage. Coding and lot tracking. Each can is coded with information about the production batch for quality control and tracking purposes. Packaging into cases. The cans are packed into larger cases or boxes, ready for distribution. Distribution. Packaged Pringles are distributed to warehouses and then delivered to retail stores for sale to consumers worldwide. People Pringles like most, especially it is famous in kids. Its delicious secret recipes of flavor attracts people. Please subscribe the channel and ring all notification. Thanks for watching the video.